Hello, my name's Jeremy Barnes at Starting Line Products. Today I'm going to talk about our drive clutch taper holding tool for Polaris RZR 900 and 1000 models. If you are somebody who does your own service work on your drive clutch, like servicing the spider, the center bearing, or adjusting the belt to sheave clearance, you will need this tool to get the job done properly. The taper will need to be secured in a vise, and then you can slide the clutch onto the taper and tighten into place with the center bolt for assembly and disassembly. A clutch puller is also required to remove the clutch from the taper once the service is complete. Thank you for watching.